Hello, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to delete Roblox t-shirts. To start, open your Roblox in your internet browser and go to roblox.com/home. In here, at Roblox, head on over to the left corner and click on your inventory. Once on your inventory, click on the category. In here, scroll down and look for classic clothing. And then in here, look for classic t-shirts. Then click on it. In here, you will see a collection of all your Roblox t-shirts. Now tap on that Roblox t-shirt. In here, you will see an overview of the t-shirt from Roblox. Now tap on the three dots, this one over here. Since there is a bug over at Roblox in the internet browser, I will show you a written step-by-step process instead. To start, there should be a three-dot menu that will open a list of actions that can be performed. Then, simply click on delete. And now, you will now have successfully deleted the shirt from your profile. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.